Hi, I'm Hannah and I work for Redi Shade. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to measure for and install our original pleated shades. To get started, you're going to need a tape measure, something to cut your shade with. You can choose from a kitchen knife, a pair of scissors, or a utility knife. And then you'll need something to cut your shade on. I like to use a cutting mat like this. First, you'll need to measure your window to determine which size shade to purchase. To do so, simply measure the width of your window to the nearest eighth of an inch at the location where the shade will be placed. If you're installing as an inside mount, the shade will be placed at the top of the window inside the window casing. For an outside mount, you'll take the measurement above the window casing from edge to edge. Using the window's width measurement, select the shade that can be trimmed to your window's width. For example, my window is 30 inches in width, so I would select the 36-inch shade. If your window is larger than 36 inches, opt for the 48-inch shade. If your window is larger than 48 inches, you can layer shades side by side to cover the window's width. To install your shade, first, using a tape measure, mark the shade at the measurement you took from your window and trim the shade to the desired width. Next, peel the adhesive liner from the top pleat of the shade, then stick the shade at the desired point of installation, inside the window casing for an inside mount, and above the window casing for an outside mount, pressing firmly with both hands. Once your shade is installed, you can operate the shade by raising and lowering using the included clips. If the shade is too long for your window, you can always clip up any excess or trim off any extra pleats. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to give us a call.